Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over a little technical analysis on Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. We're on a 180-day 4-hour time frame, and the reason we're going over that today is because they report earnings on today after hours, and so this is going to either crash this thing pretty hard, or we're going to start taking back off. And I think it's kind of setting up, in my opinion, could be setting up for a pretty interesting swing play here. So as you see, we're currently at about 128. Your floor here is 123.62. So prior to earnings, if this thing falls down and it does find support here, we're going to be very extended to the downside, undervalued, and basically make pretty kind of like a double bottom W-shaped pattern on the chart, as you see here. Down, up, down, and then setting ourselves up for a potential run up from past that point. So I'm watching to see how the market reacts today. Again, this is the 4-hour. Let's look at the 1 hour and see what that's looking like here. Kind of like the same thing as, you know, we fell undervalued, we popped our head up. I think that we're going to fall down again and maybe retest. I think we'll probably break below 128 today. I'm not sure exactly how low we'll go, but average cost for me here is 124. So if we get anywhere close to that, 125, 124, if we break below 124 for sure, then I'm going to come in and get some more, because this is more of a longer term play for me, and possibly look at getting some more options done on that longer term side, because as you know, I have a longer term option for Amazon, which is still up right now. I haven't sold yet. I probably should have sold it today. I was up 20-something%, and then I could have re-entered at this level here, but I'll just probably buy a few more options at a cheaper price if it does you know, go red and you know, offer a buying opportunity. So really interested to see what's going to happen here. Let's take a look here at this article off of marketwatch.com. It says Amazon earnings, here's what to expect by the numbers. Okay, and it says analysts will be keenly watching Amazon's online shopping and AWS business when the e-commerce juggernaut reports second quarter results after the market close on Thursday. The performance of both could go a long way in determining the overall health of the retail and cloud markets, two key economic engines. Here's what to look for number-wise. And says what to expect. Earnings, analysts tracked by the Fed's set expect Amazon to report 35 cents a share in earnings, compared with a loss of 20 cents a share a year before. On Estimize, which crowdsources projections from hedge funds, academics, and others, the average projection is also 35 cents a share in earnings. Revenue, the FactSet consensus calls for 131.5 billion in revenue, up from 121.2 billion the previous year. Those contributing to Estimize also expect 131.5 billion in revenue. Stock movement, Amazon shares have jumped 53% this year, with about half of the gains coming over the past 6 months. The S&P 500 is up 17.5% in 2023. So those are some numbers you may want to just kind of jot down and take a look at. And if that's true, I mean, if these come out and it's up from 121 billion to 131 billion, obviously a very positive thing. And if they even do even better, you know, numbers wise, then obviously that's going to have a positive reaction to stock. And the reason it's not really doing much now is because people just don't know, you know, coming into earnings. And to me, like I said, again, it kind of sets up for a nice swing play, because if people are just either selling off prior to earnings or just kind of stagnant on earnings, I'd rather see a sell off prior to earnings if you know, or if you have a good feeling or indication that the earnings are going to be good, because that provides a good buying opportunity for you to come in and take advantage of a swing play after they announce the earnings numbers. So anyway, obviously do your own research, play with caution, don't risk anything that you're not comfortable with, and make sure that you're able to manage your risk and things of that nature and have a plan of entry, plan of exit. So just wanted to give you that update on Amazon, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.